Hey there, so I'm a bit of a worrywart. I don't know if other people would even worry about something like this, but what happens if you scrape one of your plumbing pipes and you're thinking maybe it might rust down the road, might rust a hole through it, then you got a leak you got to deal with. So, in another video, I talked about how I screwed something up, and you're more than welcome to watch my rambling on that. Well, I don't know if I screwed it up, but I went to remove the, on the other side of this is the overflow plate for the tub drain, and I had some screws snap off in there and had to drill those holes out. But that was such a pain, and it took like 3 hours that I came to the back side of the tub here, and I was thinking about just completely replacing this pipe. I was considering it, would that be easier than all that drilling? Um, and in doing so, let's see if I can balance my flashlight for a second. I took these guys and I stuck them on here real tight, and I wanted to see if I could loosen this thing up. And in the process, I don't know if you can see it, but nicked it pretty bad. Well, come to find out that if this pipe is iron or steel, and you were to scrape a pipe like that with your pipe wrench, that will rust. And you're going to want to sand it and put some type of protecting coating on it to seal it and keep it from rusting. However, if it's brass or copper, which here's brass, you can kind of tell from the coloration, and here's copper, then you're good to go, and that's probably not going to rust. I can't quite remember what the reasoning was for that, but it was like, I don't know, just the way that type of metal works. I guess I could put it in the comments. But a way you can test, which is pretty interesting, is you can stick a magnet to it. So if there's steel or iron in it, the magnet it'll stay, and if not, the it won't stick. So then you know what type of metal you're dealing with. So anyway, I thought that was a little interesting. I don't know if you would find it interesting, but just sharing something I learned. All right, take care. Bye.